Gabby and Sharon, once again. Parang kasi hindi ako makapaniwala magpapareha kayo ulit because yung huli niyong pelikula, yung pinamagatang Bakit Ikaw Pa Rin, masyadong kontrobersyal yun na inakala ng marami, lalo na ng industriya, na hindi na kayo magkakasama. Paano nangyaring nagkabalikan kayo ulit sa pelikula? Let's start with Gabby, na seryoso na siya this time.
Kaya nga ako siguro tinawag na Bakit Ikaw Pa Rin? Dahil nagkataon na yun na naman, gagawin na naman namin yung pelikula.
Hindi pa rin sinasabi kung paano nangyari at nag-lead in sa muli niyong pagtatambal siya.
I think Ate Lourdes kasi even before this project was offered to us, we were already, well, so to speak, friends. We were talking again, we were nice to each other again, we understood each other, we started understanding each other more, talking openly about anything, yung ganun. So, by the time this project came about, ako, yeah, sure, no problem, sige, okay lang.
So, pero kung dumating yung project na ito, right after nung Bakit Ikaw Pa Rin, would you think magmamaterialize ang project na ito?
Honestly, no, I doubt it. I doubt it. Kasi marami lang kaming hindi pagkakaintindihan when we were shooting that, and we really didn't get enough chances to talk.
Ba talaga hindi kayo nakakapag-usap? Gabs?
Wala akong tiyempo, walang pagkakataon. Pero now sa shooting namin, at least everything is smooth sailing. Not once kaming nagkaroon ng ang mga away lang namin nasa pelikula.
Katulad noon, pero nung una, yung sa Bakit Ikaw Pa Rin, nag-umpisa kayo ng smooth din eh. Tapos towards the end of the movie, yung shooting, doon yata nagkaroon ng medyo alingas-ngas, right?
I was scared nga it would happen again here. Sabi ko, nako. Pero actually, when we became friends again, so-called friends again, before this movie started, mas maganda mas matibay yung grounds ng aming friendship this time compared to last year.
Actually, yung away namin noon, ano lang yun, gimmick lang yun eh.
Gimmick, hindi gimmick yun. Alam ko hindi marunong mag-gimmick si Sharon.
Hindi, ano lang yun. Ngayon, hindi na kami nag-away.
Gimmick pa rin ba to?
Hindi.
Gimmick pa rin ba to?
Hindi, this is coming from the hair. Kinukurot na kita sa likod.
Correct me if I'm wrong. 10 years ago, ginawa niyo ang unang-una niyong pelikula, Dear Heart.
10 years, 81.
How old were you then, Cha?
50.
Did you ever imagine na nung ginagawa yung Dear Heart na magkakaroon ng Casey?
Hindi during that time, I was 13.
Excuse me.
Ganun ba? 17. Yun, tapos, never thought of although marami akong natutunan sa'yo. I didn't expect na Casey will
Like your dog. Do you know that I'm looking at you?
Pero nung unang-una siya, like you said, 15 years old ka and he was 17, was it love at first sight?
No, on the contrary, remember I made you that kwento. Actually, I've told everybody. When Dear Heart was first offered to me, they asked me who would you like to be your leading man. Ang sagot ko was anybody but Gabby Concepcion, which of course was not fair to him kasi I didn't know him at all.
Bakit ka ayaw mo si Gabby?
I had this, the one you hate will be your fate. No, because, kasi siguro mistiso, akala ko suplado, antipatiko, ganyan. When we finally got to meet and when we started getting to know each other, mabait pala si Gabby.
What was your first impression naman kay Sharon?
Well, actually, ganun din yun eh. Hindi naman talaga kami nag-uusap.
Na ilang anak ng mayor?
Actually, hindi ko pa alam na anak siya ng mayor noon.
Nag-uumpisa siya Mr. DJ, hindi ba nadidinig yung kantang Mr. DJ?
Alam niyo kasi noon, hindi ako nakikinig sa mga radyo, hindi ako nanonood ng TV madalas. So, hindi ko siya kilala. Ang alam ko lang, she was going to do a movie with me, ganon. Or, I don't know how it came out. Tapos, nakita ko may mga kasama nga siyang naka-Mercedes pa to nung dumating eh. She was the only nag-uumpisa na naka-Mercedes na. So sabi ko, ano ba ito? Napaka-hangin naman ito. Pa-Mercedes.
Nayabangan ka sa kanya.
Ngayon, well, siguro sa kanya, normal lang yun. Ano? Hindi naman niya kasalanan yun. Kasalanan ba niyang marigaluhan siya ng ganung klaseng kotse? So, nung nakita ko, sabi ko, okay ito magaya ko nga ito parang araw. Then, nung nakita ko siya, sabi ko, iniwasan ko siya. So, sabi ko, hindi ako pwedeng sumabay sa mga taong ganito. So, if we do this movie, tapos na yung pelikula yan. Medyo ilap pa nga ako sa kanya noon eh. Kaya siguro lumalabas na parang antipatiko ako sa kanya dahil hindi ko siya kinakausap talaga.
Hindi mo kinakausap dahil nailang ka? O ayaw mo lang siya kausapin talaga?
At saka ayaw din. Then naiilang ako. So, during that time, hindi kami talaga nagkasundo. Hanggang nakapag-usap na kami sa set. And then, siya pala ang magiging future mother ni Casey.
Kasi Ate Lods, Dear Heart took about 5 months to make eh. We started meeting about this movie January. Nag-showing to July na eh. So ang tagal, ang haba. Naging mag-boyfriend kami towards the end na, no? Last few days of shoot.
Well, nung sinagot kita,
Excuse me, pakiulit nga. Pakilinaw nga, baka maniwala yung mga tao.
Iisip ako.
Nanligaw ka?
Sinagot kita nung sakit siya ni Vice Governor Matay nung araw.
O yun, sinabi niya na. Totoo naman, Gabi.
Susulat natin yung kasi kaya nga gusto kong makausap si George Vale para magawa niya yung story ng pelikula ng buhay namin. Dahil makulay din eh. Kaya kung gagawin natin pelikula yun from the very start, siguro, ewan ko. Kaya.
Ngayon, after 10 years, parang ang tagal, ano? After 10 years na kayo ngayon very close, no? Friends. Pero marami mga fans umaasa na magkakabalikan kayo sa Tunay na Buhay. And of course, nasa sa inyo yun dahil pareho yata meron mga commitments. May mga commitments. Si Sharon, wala. Ewan ko lang sa'yo, Gabs.
Wala naman akong commitments,
Wait lang ako.
Ang only commitments ko is yung pelikulang mga ginagawa ko. That's what's keeping me busy now.
Really?
And of course, the thought and the memories of my past with and of course Casey, she's always around. But pero sa ngayon, wala talagang zero.
Loveless pala kayo pareho?
Talaga. I swear to God, I'm just really having fun. He knows that eh. I have fun, I go out. Really wholesome dates, really wholesome, and nothing.
How about you, Gabs?
Well, our date last night was also, it was
Pa kayo last night?
We were shooting last night.
Exactly. The last night, nagkaroon kami ng last day party. And that was the very first time na nag-date kami.
Kayong dalawa lang?
After magkatabi kami.
Dapat yun, hindi naman date yun eh. Kailan kayo huling nag-date? Yung kayong dalawa lang?
Nako. Mga date.
What's the last time? Yung candlelights and all?
Well,
1986 pa? Of course not. Nangyayari sa Tunay na Buhay. Hindi ka pala akala ko,
sa amin dalawa. Kaya kinukumbida ko siya mag-dinner kami one time,
Imagine kasi ng mga fans na very romantic ka, Gab. Siya pala hindi ka naniniwala sa mga candlelight dinners?
In the contrary, I love candles.
Pero ano rin yun, maganda rin yun, ang candles lang na naroon. Anyway, itong...
Wala ako, kandila lang, wala ako.
Kandila lang, wala si Sharon?
Ande sa amin, sa bahay nga, maraming kandila. Yung mga brown out, yung mga ganun.
Kinuwento ni Sharon na siya ay loveless. Ikaw ba loveless din? Walang mga dates, walang mga ano?
Wala nga ako mga dates, kaya nga ako naghahanap ng date eh. Itong nasa tabi ko rito medyo, ewan ko.
Ito ba yung sabi?
Ang invitation.
Ito ba yung sabi ni Sharon, the last time na nag-date kayo, na kayong dalawa lang was 1986. Tagal na nun. Don't you think it's about time na mag-date kayo and kayong dalawa lang talaga?
I agree, and ipaglalaban ko sa korte yan, Ate Luz.
Bago yan.